Woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth unless you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another look. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and keep watching. So I was supposed to be doing a makeup haul, but it's taking way too long for everything to be here at once or get here at once, and I'm literally desperate to use this stuff, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use it. And if y'all still want to see the haul, I'll do it for you. But I'm gonna take my p.louise base. I finally got the p.louise base, and I felt like it was overhyped at first, but I realized that you can still apply your color. Okay, so wait, let me say this. I don't know if you're supposed to let it dry down 100% first before applying your color, but I did that on this eye, and y'all see how vibrant the yellow still is. Like with concealer, if you let it dry, then your colors really won't pick up as well. So yeah, I really feel like it was overhyped, but I kind of like it. But it's, to me, it's still a little overpriced. So I'm using a number 5. I don't feel like you have to go in so heavy with the product like they do. I feel like they just do it because, I mean, it's good advertisement and it looks nice. I'm using a 35B palette, and I know it's been discontinued, but it's still one of my favorite palettes. I am going to start from the outer corner, so I'm going to be using this dark green, and then I'm going to pick up the indigo. I'm taking the indigo next on another E17. I'm gonna pack that right beside there. So y'all see how my lid creased? I don't like that. I'm not gonna blame it on the base though. It's probably because I took too long to start applying my color, but I usually don't have that problem with concealer. Or maybe I did just need to use a thicker layer of it. I don't know. Y'all are gonna see for yourself why I use the E17 to pack on color. I'm using M506, which is what I would usually use to blend my colors out. I'm gonna take this really dark purple right here, and I'm packing it right beside it. But you're gonna see how, y'all see how on this eye it came off as more pastel. I feel like with smaller brushes, it doesn't really pick up enough color for the pigmentation to even come through. So yeah, that's why I use the E17. I'm gonna just go back and blend this a little bit. I'm gonna also add some more blue because it kind of got lost. I'm adding this color right here, and then I'm gonna add the yellow.
Evans. 27 hearts beat.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.